After we create all their user accounts, okay, like in this case, I created an account for, one sample for Eric. Eric is a child. Okay, so when I was logging into my account, see, I came here and I click on sign out. Once I sign out, you guys are gonna be into the lock screen. When we click into the lock screen, we are gonna have two pictures. Basically, you guys are gonna see Eric, the other user account, and my account. In that case, I click on Eric and I was prompted for the username. I'm sorry, not the username, the password. When you guys set up a new account, see, Windows is gonna go. It's probably gonna, but it's gonna take about a minute or two because it's gonna set up this other account. Okay. Now, while the process, you guys are gonna see some couple of tips on how to, use your touchscreen. Now, this is my other account. Okay, and basically it's the same, but we have a different background style. Okay, if I go to the desktop, this is the desktop, and basically it's the same settings. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to Windows logo, again Windows logo. On the right hand side, I'm gonna go to the charms, and I'm gonna click on settings, and again change PC settings. Okay, so when I get here, I'm gonna go to users, and from here, see, this is the other account. On this account, I can change the password. If you guys ever want to change a password, you guys are gonna be prompted for the current password. Otherwise, you guys won't be able to change it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the current password and click on the next step. Okay, now right here, I'm gonna ask for a new password and then re-enter the new password, and I'm gonna be asked for a password hint, and I'm gonna click next and finish. So there, I changed the password into this new account. Okay, now what I'm gonna need to do is that I'm gonna create a picture password. When I click on that, I have this create a picture password. First, confirm your current password. So I need to type in the password. Click on OK. Then I'm gonna be asked, okay, go ahead and choose a picture. There's no files on this device. Okay. No samples. I'm gonna click on files. I'm gonna check under the home group. Okay, this is the other computer that is on my home group, and I'm gonna go to the pictures. Okay, now from here I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a picture. Let's say that I want to use this little card, so I could just click on or select another one. I'm just gonna go with this one up here. I'm gonna click on open. There's a picture, and then I could click on use this picture or choose a new picture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select use this picture. Okay, now draw 3 gestures on your picture. You can use any combinations of circles, straight lines, and tabs. Remember, the size, position, and direction of your gestures and the order in which you make them become part of your picture password. Okay, so right here I'm just going to draw a line down, another line down, left click, and I'm going to draw another line. Okay, now to finish setting up your picture password, just repeat your 3 gestures. You can always start over by tapping the start over button. So I'm just gonna left click and drag, left click and drag, left click and drag. Okay, sorry, but your confirmation gestures didn't quite match. Try again. Okay, so the first one is gonna be just like this. Okay, hold on. Okay, start over. I'm gonna make one line up here. Okay, now I'm gonna go across 1 another one right here, 2, and then another one over here. Okay, now I need to confirm. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and again. Okay, so I have to be more careful creating this picture password. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Okay, no, I need to select try again. I'm gonna click right here, 1 gesture, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw a line right here on the window, another on the second window, and then one on the tire. Now I need to confirm, so I'm gonna left click and drag on the window, and then it's also gonna be on the tire. Oops, I'm gonna have to start over. Okay, so let's try to do this easy. 1, 2, 3 lines on the picture, and I need to confirm. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, congratulations. Okay, now I'm gonna click on finish, and see, I just changed the picture password, and after that, see, we could also create a pin. Now I'm gonna click on create a pin. Create a pin. First, confirm your current password. I'm gonna type in the password. Remember password. We must remember the password. And then I'm gonna click OK. Now a pin is a quick, convenient way to sign into this PC by using 4-digit code. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in a digit code, and then confirm the pin, and finish. Okay, so this is just adding extra security into your account, onto this account. Okay, we have a password, we have a picture password. On the picture password, see, we also have the 3 lines that I created on the window, and then we also create a pin. Okay, it's just that, I mean, that's a lot of protection. Okay, so there is 3 different hints, passwords basically, to access that account. Okay, if you guys keep very confidential data to your computer, that will be very useful. Applying a password, applying a password gesture, and then a pin. Okay, but we must remember, see, the password, the picture gestures, and the pin. Okay, now if I wanted to remove those, okay, change pin, I could just click on remove. Now I'm able to do that because I'm logged into this computer as a user account, the local user account. So I will be able to do that, and I'm just gonna stay with your password. Okay, now that's a lot of security, but like I say, see, we have, these are new options on Windows 8. I'm gonna go ahead and close this PC settings, and I'm back to the desktop. Now, anytime that I wanna switch, see, between one account or the other, if I click on the name of this user, see, I could change a picture for this user, or I could also lock the computer, sign out from this account, and then I will be able to sign in with the other account, the administrator. Okay, when I click into the administrator, I'm gonna be prompt for my password. Okay, so that is also gonna cover the switching among user accounts. Okay, on the start, we just go to the user account. We could sign out and then sign in with Alfredo, or from here I could just sign in with Alfredo, but the 2 accounts are gonna be logged in. Okay, so that will cover creating a password picture, created a pin picture, switching among users' accounts. Thank you.